2012 Edge thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, airbags, power steering, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, FWD, compass, heated driver's seat, power door locks, passenger airbag, power windows, trip computer, tachometer, leather seats, heated passenger seat, rear wiper, heads-up display, power heated outside mirrors, driver memory seats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.